Hi, I'm Brian, one of the librarians at the Lincolnwood Library, and I'm going to show you how to use Novelist to find things to read. There isn't a Novelist app, so you'll have to use a web browser like this one. On the Lincolnwood Library website, go to Research and Learning and click on Quick Links. And then click on Novelist. At home, you'll have to type in your library card. At the library, it will automatically log you in. Novelist has a bunch of unique ways to search for your next book. They have a ton of recommended reads lists for all different ages and about all different topics. You can browse by genre, appeal, theme, award winners, and audiobooks. Let's take a look at appeal. So you can find a book by what it is about rather than author or title. So under character, I'll say I want a complex character. And under pace, I'll say I want something fast-paced. And under tone, I'll say I want something darkly humorous. And then I press Find Titles. And it lists the titles here. You can arrow through or click on one of the titles if you are interested. So this is what a book page, an item, looks like in Novelist. You see a lot of different information about the book, including the ability to check the library catalog. So you can see that the book is available to check out. There's also search in the top menu bar. You can go by keyword, title, author, series, or narrator. And you can press on a specific title or search to get a general list. Novelist is known for their title read-alike lists and author read-alike lists. They also have series read-alike lists and audiobook read-alike lists. So I'll take a look at a title read-alikes list here. You can see other related titles and descriptions of why Novelist says these titles are related. So you can evaluate if the title is actually going to be something that you are going to enjoy reading. Another search example. You can click through on the search suggestions. They'll take you to a specific book. And from there you can click through sometimes. Here's the author. You can see other titles by the same author and click through on author read-alikes. You can also see audiobooks as well. And you can see audiobook listen-alikes. You can also do less specific searches. So I will search for World War II. And you see there are a lot of items. You can use their search tools on the left to narrow down. And if I'm looking for historical fiction, I could click fiction here and then update results. And then I can look through the results and see a title that I might be interested in. And again, you can check the library catalog. And it's available. You can check it out. So that is Novelist. There are lots of different lists and ways to browse and search to find your next book.